Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer MP4 to H.264 with HandBrake settings step by step clearly. Open HandBrake on your computer. Click on the Open Source button in the top left corner. Select the MP4 file you want to convert. Wait for HandBrake to scan the file. Once scanned, you will see the main interface with details about your selected file. On the right side, look for the destination section. Click the Browse button to choose where you want to save the converted file. Enter a name for the output file if desired. Under Output Settings, make sure the format is set to MP4. Next, locate the Video tab in the middle of the interface. In the Video Codec drop-down menu, choose H.264, X264. Adjust the quality setting if necessary. For better quality, select a bitrate in the average bitrate box if desired. Make sure to check the 2-pass encoding option for higher quality. Scroll down to the Audio tab. Verify that the audio codec is set to your preferred format, typically AAC. In the Subtitle tab, add any subtitles if needed. Review all your settings to ensure they are correct. When ready, click the green Start Encode button at the top. Monitor the progress at the bottom of the window during the conversion. Once the process is finished, navigate to the destination folder you selected. Open the newly created MP4 file to verify the conversion was successful. Enjoy your video in H.264 format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.